Hello, how is going everyone? In today's tutorial I am going to teach you how to create an eye-catching profile picture for your social media for free. For this tutorial I selected Will Smith profile picture to make the story short, so let's get started. But before we jump to the workplace, make sure to like the video, it will help us to push our video into the next level, and also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell on, so that you will get notified when we upload any new video on how to tutorial like this one. Stay tuned, don't skip.